Welcome to this nighttime guided meditation. As always, only listen when you are in a safe place to do so. Never listen if you are driving or operating heavy machinery. Now I trust you had a beautiful day. Indeed. Let us begin. Perhaps you are in your favorite recliner. Maybe you're ready for bed. Well, begin by stretching your body. Stretch your body all the way as far as it can go. Arms up above the head, toes pointed. Stretch, stretch, stretch it out. And now allow the body to simply sag. See? The body is beginning to relax. Very good. Now a nice big yawn. The eyebrows will relax, the cheeks, the lips, the jaw, the neck. They relax. And you see those shoulders that you've had above and under your ears all day. Let them sag and sink right into where you are. That's it. Allow the chest to relax. The back. That's it. And if you begin to notice, your breathing has already changed. You're now breathing in through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Your body knows. It remembers what you want it to do. Allow that breathing to simply continue. That's it. Allow the abdomen, your belly, let it relax. You know, when you hold your breath all day and you only take those shallow breaths, the belly gets tight. And the tighter that belly becomes, well then, we slow things down, don't we? And we don't want that. We want the abdomen to be nice and relaxed. That's it. That's it. Now relax the buttocks. Relax your bum. Just relax. Relax. Now let that relaxation spread down to the thighs, your knees, your legs, your feet. Remember to relax your fingers and your hands as well. Take your time. Take your time. Very, very good. Very good. See? Your body is much, much more relaxed. Your breathing gets deeper. That's it. Continue to allow your body to relax. And let's put our attention on our minds. Now you know we are summoning the sensation of gratitude. Gratitude. Have you ever given something to someone and saw their eyes light up? You remember that? felt a particular way in your body, a warmth in your chest. Now, has anyone ever given you something to make your eyes light up? That same warmth in the chest is what you got. Now, based upon that memory of gratitude, see if you can make your body feel that gratitude once again. That's it. See if you can make your body feel that sensation of gratitude all over again. Good job. Now, once you've got that sensation of gratitude in your body, continue breathing and hold that sensation. With every inhale, you fill your body with that gratitude. And upon every exhale, you spread that gratitude right down through your entire body. Do it again. Inhale that gratitude and fill the body. Exhale that gratitude and spread it throughout your body. Maintain that sensation of gratitude, and if your mind wanders, bring it back. Bring it back. Recapture that sensation of gratitude yet again. And if your eyes get heavy, allow them to close if you would like. Good. Maintain that sensation of gratitude in your body. Fill your body with it and spread it throughout your body. Good. Fill your body with that gratitude. Spread that gratitude through your body. That's it. Do it again. Fill your body with that sensation of gratitude. And then spread that gratitude throughout your body to every fiber of your being. Very good. And just know that as you lay here, filling your body with gratitude, spreading gratitude through your body, you've just raised your vibration. And in the raising of that vibration, do you see how calm you feel? How relaxed and at ease you feel? Now why? Why are we getting this sense of gratitude? Because whatever it is that you want in your life, it doesn't matter what it is that you want. What matters is that you condition your body to live in a state of gratitude. Because you see, that state of gratitude is happening to you now. And so when you wake up and you go forth into the day, you begin to experience things that you are most grateful for. Oh, indeed, that is the loveliness of gratitude. This is why we develop the sensation of gratitude, because it helps us to foster a lifestyle of gratitude. so that you don't want for things. Your gratitude brings things. So you see, take a moment to relax into that sensation of gratitude. Take a moment. Allow that gratitude to fill your body. And as you exhale, spread that gratitude down throughout your body. That's it. Take your time. Take your time. See, your body is so relaxed. And it becomes heavier and heavier and heavier. Do you know why it becomes heavy? Because your subconscious mind, she rises to the surface. That's it. She has risen to the surface. And she sees your gratitude. Surrender it to her. Let her take your gratitude as a most fragrant offering. Let her have it. That's it. Surrender your sensation of gratitude to your subconscious mind. That's it. She gently takes it from you. And as she takes that sensation of gratitude, she replaces it with inner peace, so that you begin to drift further and further into sleep. That's it. Peaceful, sweet, peaceful sleep. And as she takes that sensation of gratitude, you can rest assured that as you go about your waking day, she is bringing you all the sensations of gratitude once more by way of experiences. You fell asleep with gratitude within. You experience gratitude on the outside when you are awake. All of the experiences are the ones you say, thank you. I appreciate that. That's what you do. Continue to surrender to sleep now. Allow sleep to simply hold you in its warm embrace. That's it. Allow it to soothe you. Allow it to comfort you. That's it. Simply continue to surrender to the sweetness of sleep. That's it. Surrender to sleep. Rest well.